Hey guys,
What's
funny.
up, brother?
Good morning. Good morning. I just want to give you guys praises because I've been with the group now since I remember December 6th. And same thing for most of the guys that are coming on, right? Found you guys in TikTok. And I was going back to what Eric was saying this morning is that, something happened to him and that ended up leading him to you guys. And that's the same for me, right? I've been grinding my 9 to 5 job and then working Lyft for 2.5, going on 3 years now. And it's pretty good side hustle, right? I mean, you got to work 20, 30 hours a week on top of your 40, 50 hour a week regular job
Yeah.
to make a decent, side hustle income just so that you can provide for your family and give them the things that they want that otherwise you wouldn't be able to afford just by working a full-time job. And I never really looked at option trading before until I found this team. And right when I decided to join because it was just the right time. And ever since then it's just nothing but glorious, colors whenever I listen to this group. You guys are funny. I look back at some of the videos. I've commented on some of them. It was just the guy named Kelly, and I hear him. He's got this very low tone voice, and when the comments he makes just cracks me up, and really that goes for everyone. And I just want to say thank you guys for being who you are. It's just such a positive thing to be able to just listen to you guys and just share your stories.